Hello everybody, my name is Aliyar and you're watching TecTalk. Previously we talked about data files, how do we save data files, how do we access data files, and how do we append something to previously saved or already saved data files. So there are many other data files, for example CSV files, we have JSON files, we have other files, Excel files, DOL files. The process is the same. How do you access them, how do you write in them, how do you add content of them? So the process is the same, so I'm not going to cover them. That is a kind of assignment for you to cover. Today is the last lecture of this playlist, hopefully, because today I'm going to talk about one of course important topic, and that is error handling. How do we, what happens when you're in a program, when you run something, or when you're coding in real time, what happens is that if you have an error in the code basically crashes. So the software stops working and the program is blank. So today we are talking about something which will stop from crashing, the code from crashing, of course. So which is also called file handling or error handling, or kind of tool for debugging and so on and so forth. So let's go to the screen and let's talk about try and except in Python. Very easy, very fundamental concept. Let's go to the screen first. Try this block of code. If you don't find any error, well and good, just go ahead and run the code. So but if you are not able to, if this code shows error, you just do not show the error to the user, rather just put this nice message in front of the user that the file the file content not found. So now let me save the file and run it. It is going to say, okay, this file, I said okay, whatever file, see, it said okay, sorry, this file not found. So this is basically what we call error handling in Python. I said okay, try this block of code. If you have no error, no bugs, nothing, the code is just smooth and it runs fine, then run it, do not do anything. But if you find an error, do not just put that error in front of the user, because he has no idea about it. Just give him a nice message saying okay, that file doesn't exist, or we are working on it, and so on and so forth. So you may have noticed that if you are using some application, let's say you are using banking application, if you get an error, when the application stops working, they are not putting the message to you that okay, this has been, the database crashed, or I'm not able to find the details, and so on and so forth. It basically gives you a very nice message: sir, we have some internet problems, could you please wait for some time, or could you please try again in a while. So that is basically telling the user in a nice way, sir, we have a problem in our code, we do not know what it is, let us fix it, and once we are done with it, and we will definitely let you know to do things that you want. So this is a nice way basically to handle the code, and it is called error handling in Python. So this was a very simple concept, and hopefully this is the I think this is the last video of this playlist, and if you want any video related to Python programming language, we definitely are here to make any videos on that. So it's been a great journey. I have learned something, I had forgotten some very basic concept, and when I was preparing for this series, my memory refreshed, and I got to know more important things that I thought were not really important. So thank you for being there, and I hope that you will stay tuned with TecTalk in the future as well. Thank you so much. Take care.